Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Cristina. Today I have a little requested video to show you. I am going to show you how I shop in SHEIN for my craft items. And if you've never been to SHEIN, you definitely want to see this video because I'll show you some of the little stuff that I do to buy my nice little goodies. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to SHEIN.com. And then once you are there, if you do not have an account, you're going to create one. But you can also use SHEIN on your phone app or even online on your computer or wherever you go to your websites. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to this person on your screen, the little person that's on here, and then you're going to create your account. I've already have my account, so I'm already logged in. So go ahead and create your account if you have not done it yet. So do that. So the next thing, if you have never been into SHEIN, I like it to call as a mini Temu site because they do have a lot of stuff that Temu has, but I found that you might find deals, well, you might find prices better here than on Temu and vice versa. Okay, since I've had my account and I look up craft items, my SHEIN on the main page will show craft items like you see here. Okay, mixed with clothing, mixed with other stuff. But if this is the first time going in here and looking for crafts, all you want to do is go up in the search bar and you're going to type in crafts. Alright, on my search bar there's a lot of things that pop up. I'm not sure if yours will pop up if this is the first time looking up crafts or not, but if it does show like it does mine, then you know other things that you could look up. But I usually just do the generic crafts supplies and then press enter. And then you get a lot of things that start popping up, okay? So you'll just scroll down and see what you're looking for. Alright. Let me scroll all the way down to the bottom so I can show you. Okay. Once you get to the bottom, you do got pages here on the bottom. And you could just scroll through all of those. Alright. Now, like Temu, they also have quick ship, and that I believe is like their local area. I don't really shop by that. When I do order from SHEIN itself, it comes really quick. So I don't know the rule with the quick ship. Okay, so quick ship is also like Temu's local. Alright. I really don't shop from quick ship. I just go to the regular SHEIN stuff. Yeah, I just go to the regular SHEIN stuff. And I already see some goodies here already, actually. And let me pick some stuff that I got in here. Alright, so like this one here. This box. Okay, just like SHEIN, you must read the sizes. You must read how much you get. You really got to read the details so you know what you're getting. Instead of getting something and it's not what you really wanted. Okay, so I'm actually going to order this. Let me go to the... So it does give you the details just like Temu does. So it gives you all that. Okay, so shipping here is $15 to me. Alright, it gives you reviews. So you can check the reviews, check the pictures and whatnot. But I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. Actually, they got They got a strawberry cherry one. And you do got the prices here. Hit the prices right there. Now, sometimes they also got deals too, so always come back and check. So I think I'm gonna get that one, and I want the B. Yeah, you can see I already got things in my cart. Okay, so I added that. Close that one, and you just scroll down and see what you like and what you don't like. Now you want to get specific, like a certain thing that you're looking for, just type that in the search bar above. Yeah, so they got a lot of nice things. And like I said, a lot of this stuff is also on Temu, so you can find them there too. On here, I find that I might get more than I would get at Temu for a better price. And then sometimes there's some things I won't find on Temu, but I find on SHEIN. And there's sometimes things that I find on SHEIN I don't find on Temu. So yeah, it's actually pretty nice site to check out. And then you can also change your search, and let's go to let's go to craft storage. So yeah, so we got more things there. So yeah, it's basically the same thing as Temu. And then we could try the search. Yeah, you get Pacific, like journaling supplies. So you can just scroll down. You can even type beads. And they give you different things for the beads. So yeah, all you do just go scrolling down and see what you like, what you don't like. We could type charms. And then right now they do have a spring sale, so you get things even cheaper. So yeah, let's say we want to go ahead and get these cute lollipops. So you go ahead and click it. And then it gives you the pictures here on the side, gives you the sizes. Okay. You could read reviews, like this one has a picture for the reviews. You can kind of see the size. And then here is what it is. So 10-piece cute candy lollipop pendant. Right there. So it tells you what that is, how much. And this one's 10 pieces. And then if you scroll down from the image, it'll give you even more. So you could really go into a rabbit hole in SHEIN also. So say we got some stuff like I got in my cart. I already have some stuff in my cart. And then right here, it'll tell you, add $10.16 more for standard shipping. So I believe it's $15 for me. I don't know if that's everybody, but it's for me it is. So let's add up to 15. Okay, now we have free shipping. And then they do accept Visa, MasterCard, so this is all the stuff they accept. They get PayPal, Afterpay, and all of these, so they do accept a whole range of them. Um, it typically is 2 weeks to get your order, but I've been getting mine pretty quick. So yeah, that is a quick rundown on how to order and look up things on SHEIN for crafting supplies. And like I said, you could spend a long time on here just looking at all this good stuff. And I mean, a lot of goodies. See, look at all that cuteness. So yeah, just in your search bar, type what you're looking for. Type, you could type a random, which is crafts, and they'll give you a lot of other stuff. And like I said, when you click on an image, like say we clicked on these bars, just scroll all the way down. They'll give you more things that are kind of similar. Okay. But yeah, have fun with it. It's just like if you shopped at Temu, about the same thing. About the same thing. So yeah, I hope this video helps you on shopping on SHEIN. Oh, before I go, actually they do have the filters. You could go by filters. They got categories here. They even have it by color, by material, style, type, elements, and so forth. So you could even click those two and help you, find some more stuff. But yeah, I hope this video helped. I know it was a short video. It's pretty easy, just like Temu is. Just look up what you're looking for, or just write craft items. And then once you start buying stuff like that, it'll start popping up in your main feed, so that when you sign on, it's going to show you some craft items already, because they know what you're looking for or what you're interested in. But yeah. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. If this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about SHEIN, don't be shy. Go ahead and leave a comment, because I do read my comments. But yeah, I hope this video did help you, and have lots of fun looking up for some nice crafty goodies. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.